Since you've come across this post at this time, you're probably already lying in bed. I guess your left foot is resting on your right foot. If I guessed right, give me a sign or just leave a human bot comment on the right and let me see who's still awake. All right, I won't talk too much. Let's move on to a relaxing, sleep-inducing moment. The man's name is Norson. He is a warrior from Iran, wandering across Europa as part of his life's journey. The peculiar shape of a massive rock in front of him immediately caught his attention. Peering through the hole at the bottom, he discovered that the interior was surprisingly spacious, a rare, natural shelter. So he decided to settle down here, though some cleaning and preparation were necessary. In the freezing highland region, spending the night without a warm fireplace is unthinkable, making it his top priority. Luckily, there were plenty of stones around to build one. Norson quickly gathered and arranged them, using soil to shape a simple platform. Once that was done, he focused on constructing the fireplace. Although he had been living this ascetic lifestyle for less than a year, his sharp mind had already mastered various survival skills. Before long, snowflakes began falling from the sky, but the smoke rising in front of the giant rock helped block the wind and snow. The small entrance minimized the cold air seeping in. After carefully cleaning the ground inside, he tidied up the entrance as well. Then he began stacking stones to create a doorway, knowing that the raging wind outside would significantly affect the indoor temperature. He had to figure out a way to build a door to keep out the icy wind. Using stones, he built a door frame and placed a wooden beam across the top, allowing him to move on to the interior setup. He propped up a heavy stone slab, turning it into a simple yet sturdy table. Though the doorway looked a bit rough, covering it with a thick waterproof sheet would greatly enhance insulation. Noticing the scattered stones in front of the shelter, he decided to clean them up as well. By nightfall, he had nearly completed the modifications. As the temperature dropped at night, Norson quickly lit the fireplace and took out all his belongings. Skillfully assembling a portable gas stove, he began preparing his dinner. Sitting beside the warm, crackling fire, he enjoyed a meal he cooked himself. After dinner, he made himself a cup of hot coffee. What a relaxing and comfortable life. Finally, he pulled out his sleeping bag, ready to rest early for the night.